Turkish series have taken the world by storm, captivating audiences with compelling storylines, powerful performances, and beautifully rich cultural narratives. And the best part? They're now streaming in English on Netflix. Today, we are counting down the 10 best Turkish series available right now, promising hours of captivating. Number 10, we have Thank You, Next. Leela Tallin is a successful and prominent lawyer who's reeling from a painful betrayal in her romantic life. While representing a high-profile divorce case, she finds herself navigating the unpredictable landscape of modern dating. Supported by her close-knit circle of friends, Leela embarks on a journey towards healing, self-discovery, and perhaps a second chance at love. Will she finally overcome her emotional scars, or will past experiences keep holding her back? To follow Leela's heartfelt, humorous, and sometimes heartbreaking journey, watch Thank You, Next. At number 9 we have As the Crow Flies, Kusu Kusu. Asl is an ambitious journalism intern driven by a powerful desire to succeed. Idolizing the esteemed news anchor Lale Kiran, she initially approaches her role with enthusiasm. However, admiration quickly evolves into dangerous obsession, and Asl's unchecked ambition pushes her into morally grey areas. What lengths will she go to achieve her dreams, and at what personal cost? To witness this gripping tale of ambition, rivalry, and ethics, watch As the Crow Flies. At number 8 we have The Protector, Hakan Muhafz. Meet Hakan, an ordinary Istanbul shopkeeper who discovers he has extraordinary powers and a sacred mission to protect the city from an ancient, immortal enemy. Initially overwhelmed by his newfound identity and responsibilities, Hakan must quickly learn to harness his abilities to defend Istanbul. But can a simple shopkeeper rise to become a true hero? To experience this thrilling blend of modern drama and historical mythology, watch The Protector. At number 7 we have Another Self, Zeytin Ark. Three lifelong friends, Ada, Sevgi, and Leela, share an unbreakable bond. However, when Sevgi receives a devastating cancer diagnosis, she chooses an unconventional healing path. Their shared journey to the coastal town of Ayvalık forces them to confront deeply buried traumas and unspoken truths, testing the limits of their friendship. Will their bond grow stronger through adversity, or crumble under the weight of unresolved issues? Join their transformative emotional journey by watching Another Self. At number 6 we have Creature, Yaratlan. We have The Gift, Atiye. Atiye is a successful artist in Istanbul whose life dramatically changes when she encounters an ancient, mysterious symbol during an archaeological excavation. This symbol propels her into a deeply personal and mystical adventure, challenging everything she knows about reality and herself. What secret is hidden behind this ancient symbol, and how will it shape her future? To explore Atiye's profound and mysterious journey, watch The Gift. At number 4 we have The Tailor, Terzi. Peyami, a highly talented young tailor, inherits his grandfather's prestigious legacy along with a significant family secret, his father's mental health condition. Peyami struggles to balance his personal life, responsibilities, and reputation while desperately trying to hide the truth from society. Can he manage to keep everything intact, or will his secret inevitably surface, unraveling all he has built? Discover Peyami's emotional and complicated journey in The Tailor. At number 3 we have Midnight at the Pera Palace. Ambitious journalist Isra stumbles upon a secret room at Istanbul's iconic Pera Palace Hotel, discovering it can transport her back to 1919. Soon, she finds herself caught in a perilous plot against Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, forcing her to safeguard the course of Turkish history. Will Isra manage to navigate past dangers and secure the future? Step into this thrilling historical fantasy by watching Midnight at the Pera Palace. At number 2 we have Love 101, Ask 101. Set in 1990s Turkey, 4 rebellious teenagers devise a daring plan to make their favorite teacher fall in love and convince her to stay in their school. Along their mischievous journey, they uncover deeper truths about friendship, love, and self-discovery. Will their well-intentioned scheme succeed or create unexpected complications? Follow their heartfelt and rebellious journey by watching Love 101. Finally, at number 1 we have Shahmaran. Sesu, a determined and intelligent lecturer, travels to Adana to confront her estranged grandfather but instead encounters the enigmatic Mar community, guardians of the legend of Shahmaran, a mystical creature symbolizing love and wisdom. Sesu unexpectedly finds herself at the center of an ancient prophecy. Will she accept her destined role, or will buried secrets overpower her? To explore this compelling and mystical narrative, watch Shahmaran. And there you have it, the 10 best Turkish series streaming now in English on Netflix. Which one caught your attention? Dive into these stories and experience the magic firsthand. Happy watching!